Howdy folks, we finally got something that we don't know. We got something in for review, and it should be a nail gun, and it should be from Vevor. But the box doesn't say anything, and I've got the manual here, and I don't see Vevor's name on it, so I'm really not sure what we got until we get it out of the box. So yeah, let's see what we have. So I took it out of the box and it says Vevor. So yeah, it's a pneumatic nail gun from Vevor, and it comes with some tools for adjustment and working on it, but also comes with a pretty nice manual. It has a breakdown of all the parts and stuff on it. Operating and maintenance manual, safety instructions, air supply connections, storing it, troubleshooting, repairs, whatever. So it seems like it's a pretty complete unit, except there is one little caveat. Let's see if I can get this here, but there's where your barrel of nails go in, or your coil, and there was no coil of nails or even sampler, whatever, with the machine, and I didn't know that, and it didn't dawn on me till this morning that yeah, we're probably going to need nails for the nail gun. So I don't have any coils here specifically. Now there's a couple of reasons why you want something like this here for around the house. I've got a deck out the back that's out over a river area, and that needs to be completely refurbished. And so a nail gun like this with some 3.5, 3.25 ring shank coated nails for decking, run something like this, you have a great time, because you'll be able to just, you know, boom boom boom, nail it all up. This is pneumatic, so I will be running a long air line out there, a couple of 100 feet I guess of air line to get out there to the job. But it's just nice to have something like a pneumatic nail gun. Now we do have a battery one coming in at some point in the near future, and we'll take a look at that. Battery ones are great too, because they're so portable, obviously. I've always really enjoyed the pneumatic, because you can really put, you know, 100 pounds of pressure on there and really drive those nails. Now beware, there are different nail guns out there that are going to be various qualities, and are also going to, the prices are going to vary according to what they can do. This one here has a range of 2 to 3 1/5 inch nails. And if you look at like Amazon or something, you'll find that, yeah, there is some nails on there that are just over, they're like 3 1/5 or whatever, you know, coiled up nails, like what I'm gonna need for my deck. If you're doing decking, pallet work, construction work of any sort, wooden crates, anything like that, this is the tool for you. This is what's gonna happen. This is the CN80. And it runs, you use about 100 pounds of air pressure, up to about 115 pounds is what they rate this for, you know, for best results, again. And it also has a device here which will help you clean out any nails. If you have something get jammed by chance, because it does happen with nails, you can clean this thing out easily. Now, it's priced reasonably, and that's why I'm telling you about the nails, because the capacity of these, sometimes you can find these nail guns on for a lower price, but take a look and see what, you know, the nail capacity is, because around like decking with 2x6s, which is what I'll be using, 2-inch nail is not going to do anything. It's not going to do anything for you. You need at least a good 3 plus, you know, inch nail when you're knocking, you know, 2x6s together for decking out the back of the house, or decking out, in this case, out over the river. So, you know, you got to watch your price, but you got to watch what the capacity is. And this one, it will hold 300 nails in the barrel when it's running. So we will come back to this. Unfortunately, I don't have any nails, so I can't do anything with it today. I could hook it up and let it off and go bang, 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 but I don't think that's going to help anybody. But the description, the link below will give you the price, and yeah, it's a nice, handy tool, and especially if you're a contractor or anything like that. You know, I'd buy a couple of these things just, you know, to have them on the job sites. But yeah, you know, anyway, one of the things with the Vevor machine right here that's really cool too is it has the quick connect. It was already on the machine when it came out of the box, so that's really good. Usually I have to run around and find one of these for pneumatic tools, because it's like they always leave this off and leave you hanging. Now, some lubrication in here every once in a while wouldn't hurt for any nail gun. Look at the size of this thing, and oh yeah, oh, she's heavy. Yeah. So I don't think kickback should be too much of a problem, because obviously when you pull the trigger, you've got a lot of weight before that thing can, you know, kick up on you. It has a large exhaust port back here after it does kick. So it looks like a really nice gun, well built from Vevor. Now I will not be able to demonstrate it because I didn't even know I had needed some nails. So what we'll do is we'll come back to this gun in the near future. I'll put a link in the description below for you where you can find the gun for the time being. Check the price. Vevor always has a great price on their tools. It's kind of the Harbor Freight Online kind of thing. So it'll be a great price. And in the meantime, we will come back in well into the future, I guess, at some point. I'll get some nails so we can. I was going to put a board here today and, you know, bang some different nails in or something, and it's like, yeah, that plan just went up in smoke this morning. Apparently, I need the ammunition to go with it. Yeah, so we'll have to come back to this. What we will do in the meantime is I'm going to get the tickets out, round those tickets up, so we can give away that multimeter that we had here. Should be brand new in the box multimeter let's see if it's, yeah, there it is. It hasn't even been opened, so it includes batteries, and it's a smart meter from the gang over there at Tesmen. They make these great little multimeters, and this particular one is really an interesting one because it has artificial intelligence, or AI. It's a smart digital, so if you make a mistake, this thing will forgive you. Yeah. So let's get some tickets and draw for this in the meantime, seeing this will be on hold. Okay, we're back, and we've got a quick draw here. I'm just going to get this over with real quick because there isn't a whole lot of you know, yeah. Let's see if we've got try to mix these things up a little bit, but there we go. There isn't a whole lot. There was about 25 entries, that's all, so it's not much, you know. It's like, oh, okay. I think he's gotten maybe 1 or 2 items from us. I really don't know, and I'm gonna have trouble with the town, always do, but, and oddly enough, I know somebody that did some work out there in that town, but he's Greg in Oregon. You know who you are, in McManaville there. Yeah. I skipped over that one, didn't I? Yeah, I had to. And I haven't even been drinking. Yeah, congratulations, Greg. We're going to put this in the mail and send it off to you, buddy. What's today? Thursday, so probably Monday, maybe, or maybe tomorrow. It could go out of here Friday, because I do have shipping on Friday to go out of here for 3D printing. Oh yes, so good thing. Like I said, there was only about 25 entries, something like that. So I got a question. I want to set up another prize, but here's the question. You just comment, if you will, and either make a, I don't know if you can make a suggestion of how else we can do this, but I'm just curious as to whether folks are worried about giving out their name and address, you know, some basic information like that, because we destroy all the files, and in fact, if I lose this ticket, I'm in trouble because I don't have a record of it. We delete all the email that comes in afterwards from this. Also, we delete the trash, and we delete the deleted history of it, so it's cleaned out, you know. And of course, we don't share it with any companies or anybody. It's totally just between you and me with all the tickets and names and addresses. But a lot of people don't seem to want to put their names and addresses in for, you know, getting something off the show. And I'm a little concerned as to whether there's a problem or something with that. I don't really know. But anyways, hey, congratulations, Greg. Yeah, we had about 3 Gregs one time win, so boom, boom, right in a row. It was different people, but it was 3 of them. It was strange. We're going to get back to this nail gun as soon as we can, once we have to get some nails. Maybe next week we'll nail something. And like I said, we've also got a portable one with a battery coming in from another company, so we'll be taking a look at that. The rain just stopped all of a sudden out here. Wow, that's weird. It sounded like somebody shut a tap off. Thank you so much for watching Coffee and Tools. Please like, share, subscribe, ring the notice bell. And we've got lots more stuff coming up. Oh yeah, over and out.